Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my channel, or if you're new here, welcome to my channel. My name is Sabrina and today's video is going to be an unboxing of my boxycharm for the month of April 2019. I am really considering canceling my boxycharm, so let me know in the comments below if you like seeing these unboxings, or if you obviously are watching this one, but if you watch them frequently, let me know in the comments below what you think. So the theme this month is called Peace, Love, and Boxy. I think the card's really cute. I love the cacti on it. And then of course we have everything on the back that we're getting. The first thing that I'm seeing here is a little brush set from Luxie. This is the Summer Days 3-piece brush set. It retails for $28. I think these brushes look really nice, really cute. I apologize, I'm in a group chat for work and my phone will not stop going off. Literally, as soon as I sat down to film, it started going off. These feel really nice and really soft, and it's showing up. They have like that ombre effect. I think these are really cute, so definitely gonna keep those. Excited about that. The next thing here we have is by Christopher Buckle. It's a cashmere slip, long wear lipstick, and this retails for $18. I got it in the shade Bordeaux. The packaging of this is really interesting. I really like it. It feels really nice and sleek, but I'm not so sure about the color. I don't know. It's too red for what I usually wear, so I may end up passing this along, but I think the packaging's really cute. The next thing we have in here is by Artist Couture. It's the Diamond Glow Powder. This retails for $27. I remember seeing a lot of stuff about this and people being really excited about it, but I got like a gold color. I don't know. It's Summer Haze. I'm gonna be honest with you guys, I don't think that I'm going to end up using this. It looks like it'll be a little too dark for me to use as like a highlighting powder, which is what I think this is for. It looks a little too dark for me. It's like a golden color, and I think it would look better on like a deeper skin tone. I'm very fair. The next thing in here is by Starlook, sorry. It's their Ultra Gem Longwear Eye Pencil. This retails for $19, which is insanely overpriced to me. I don't love eyeliner pencils, so definitely going to be throwing this in a giveaway for you guys. I'm not even going to open it or swatch it. I just don't wear eyeliner hardly ever. And the last thing, which I hope is a redeeming quality, is the Pure Festival palette. This is what it looks like it has in it. I think it's cool that we get palettes, but I stick to like the same colors and the same palettes. So I usually just get a stockpile of these, and these are brighter colors, which I just don't see myself reaching for. There's a little plastic thing, but I don't want to take that off. The pressed glitters look kind of cool, but for the most part, I have shadows that have these colors in it that I would use. So I mean, it's a cool palette, but I'm not super stoked about it or anything like that, so definitely didn't redeem the quality for me. As far as boxycharm goes, you definitely get your money's worth. Pretty much all of these products were over the cost of the box, so that's really exciting. You get a great value with this, and it's cool that you get full-size items. I've just not been super stoked about a lot of the things that I've been getting, and I'm trying to downsize. I stick to the same kind of makeup items, so I think I'm going to end up canceling my boxycharm. Let me know what you guys got in your boxycharm this month, or if you want to subscribe, and let me know if you like watching these unboxing videos. I can't speak. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!